Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have this Bulova, sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Bulova, however you guys say it. I'm sure you'll make fun of me for this pronunciation. I got this in a lot. This is a really nice watch. Date function, nice pattern dial, a couple of multi-functions on here. It has a second hand down here in this bottom dial. It has an hour marker. We can see we're about 9 p.m., so we're about 2100 up here. But the problem I had on this watch, and I'm not going to go over usage or anything on it yet, but the white lettering, Roman numerals, all that stuff, is it came with a back unattached. So I needed to find some screws to fit it, and this was a difficult one to find screws to fit. I bought one set of screws off of Amazon, and they were all M1.2s. If you can see this, M1.2 screws. 1.2s are too thick to fit in here, so I had to get M1 screws. So if any of you run into one of these watches and lose screws or need something, get these 1mm screws. These are the widths, and these are the lengths, so times 3 times 2.5. I think I used the 2.5s to put this in. I probably could have got away with a 3. But it is an M1 screw to actually get it to screw down. I had a lot of trouble figuring that out. Every kit you have normally doesn't have these M1 screws. They normally start at M1.2 and go up from there. So just a quick one today, guys. I'm going to work on this one a little bit more. I got some issues with these buttons sticking a little bit. I'm going to take it back apart and clean it all out to see if I can get things to work a little bit better. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this chrono too. But nice watch, nice thick watch. No, not gonna do any macros or shots on the wrist on this one yet because got more work to do. Another video to come on this one. But just an introductory and a quick one about those screws, and we'll work on it a little more. All right, guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next.